Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you easy way to create brick wall effect in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a vertical box shape with rectangle tool, shortcut M. Outline color none. Fill color R175, G65, B45. Appearance panel, Shift F6. Click on Add New Effect in Appearance panel. Texture and Texturizer. Texture brick. Light top. Relief 12. Scaling 200%. Again click on Add New Effect and Texture and Texturizer. Texture brick. Light bottom right. Relief 6. Scaling 200%. Copy Ctrl C and face in front Ctrl F. R192, G164, B159. R49, G14, B8. R207, G141, B129. R224, G210, B207. Finally, your brick wall texture background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create brick wall texture effect background design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.